For this project, I have to replace the corner step. You can see that top tread there that I'm aiming at center screen is broken. See how it moves like that? Well, it's broken here on the edge. Let's see if we can wiggle it enough. Right over there, see? Right there. So I'm going to have to take out this whole piece and use it as a template for the replacement part I've done in the cellar. Next we'll go downstairs and look at this from the bottom so you can see how I have to take things apart. That's the back top of it. And you see that little wedge right there under it? That's what holds it in place. So that's the first thing I'm going to have to remove. That wedge at the back of the step. I'm going to try to see if we can see the cracks in this lighting on the bottom of that tread. And here at the back of the tread, at the riser towards the next step, is where we're going to see that it's attached in with a couple of nails from the back side that we'll look at next. Back from the cracks up at the riser. There's my cat meowing in the background. And there's a couple little nail holes. Spot. That's what's holding the back of the tread in. So next will be disassembly. And a new step. The first nail here came out quite easy with a pry bar. Good old all-purpose Wonder Ball. What else? Just took the pin out enough here so we can reuse it later. That's it. I'll edit that down. Hammer to the end of that long wedge. That way, when I tapped on the vice grip with a rubber hammer here, I'm able to knock the whole thing and move it along without shattering the wood. I need both hands, so see you in the next step there. Once again, both hands, but anyway, there you can see the whole wedge is out. And there we go. Step to take out one more nail that, yes, I pre-loosened it. Next, I have to pry this loose, take out the bottom molding. So we'll move the step out of here a little better in a minute. Tread removed. It was attached by several nails that I had no other way to get at except to use the drill and drill around them so I could then pry them. Step upside down on top of the replacement tread. Next all I'll be doing is drawing a line around it and cutting it out. And right over here is where I had to drill out to knock out a couple of spikes that I couldn't get out any other way. Like the one over here that I didn't see. Finally got it to fit in there, in shape. So you get the wedge back in place. And after a lot of jiggling around and resizing, I finally got the step in.